Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that how are you? Happy and well. So in today's video, I will share you some fabric crafts ideas. So I hope you enjoy my video. So let's start today's video. Viewers, friends, today we are making something super cute and colorful felt flowers and a matching garland. First, grab your favorite felt sheets. I am using pink, yellow and green. Cut small circle for pattern and fold them in half. Glue them edges to give them a nice petal shapes. Make about 5 petals for each flowers. Now cut a small round pieces of felt as a base. Glue all the petals in a circle and add a button or pearl in the center for that perfect finishing. A beautiful felt flower is ready. Let's turn this into a garland. Cut small leaves from green felt and glue them along a string. Now attach your flowers one by one with hot glue. Space them evenly, and there you go. You just made a stunning garland that you can hang in your room, use for party decor, or even give someone. Viewers, if you try this craft, don't forget to share your creating with me in the comment. And if you like, and if you enjoy this video, hit like, subscribe for more guys, and we will see you in the next video. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and thanks for watching